You said what? You pissed Carrie off.
Yeah. Because I sent it. He said, so what if I didn't go last night? I'm out now.
Alexis, where you going? Where you going, Alexis? Hey, Juwan.
Nigga, you better go play with me.
Hey, Juwan.
You better back the fuck up. He locked himself out.
Alexis.
No way with this.
Come here, Alexis. Where you going, man? It's just a roach. It's just a roach, man. Jeez. It's dead.
Don't throw it outside now that you're already out there.
I know, throw it outside.
No. I'm gonna throw it on one of you guys. All right, Juwan, for the camera.
Hell no, you better stop fucking with me. If that fucking antenna breaks, I promise you.
I'm holding it long enough to Wait, stop! No. Quit playing!
I'm gonna put it on the doorknob.
No! What are you doing?
Yes.
Darnell,
What?
go throw it in the toilet and flush it.
Come on, guys, stay up there. Yes.
Darnell, stop.
It's on the doorknob.